TMC and Congress are now openly fighting it out over who should be leading the India bloc. The Trinamool Congress upping the ante against the Congress, demanding that the leader of the India bloc, the chief, must be Mamata Banerjee. And the message from the Trinamool Congress to the Congress is, look, keep your ego aside. There is no leader within the Congress, according to them, who has the stature of Mamata Banerjee. So this is the kind of war of words that's playing out rather publicly at that. And Rahul, this more than anything else dents the image of the India bloc. While you have them together on one issue, disunited on another issue, they're also fighting it out rather publicly. And Trinamool Congress clearly attempting to pile pressure here by going rather public with their wars over who should be leading the India bloc.
Well, Akshita, we all remember how there has been political bickering happening within the Indian bloc even before Lok Sabha elections. But this is maybe for the first time when questions are being, over the leadership status of Congress party, that whether they can, they've actually got this fire in belly to defeat BJP, and whether they are, aggressive enough or articulate enough or strong enough to take on BJP. And that's why, TMC, Samajwadi Party, Sharad Pawar, and now Lalu Prasad Yadav. Now, Lalu Prasad Yadav has been a very close, friend and aide of Sonia Gandhi. The alliance between Congress Party and RJD goes back to decades. And remember, the very next year, there's going to be elections in Bihar, and at this juncture, when Lalu Prasad Yadav says that Mamata Banerjee should lead the charge against government, and she should lead the entire campaign against BJP, this only shows that how this has put Congress Party in a very tight spot, and that's why they would need to again win the confidence of their alliance partners. However, the Congress Party have already rejected all these things, all this noise, saying that the leader of opposition, the very question has already been decided by people. They've already made Congress Party the single largest party in opposition, and therefore there's no reason to discuss this now. But clearly they are facing the heat from their own alliance partners, and obviously this shows India alliance in a very bad light, and obviously allows BJP to have the last laugh in this entire
Let's
situation.
just listen in. Rahul, stay with me. Let's just listen into what the TMC has had to say. This is Kalyan Banerjee now going ahead and again endorsing Mamata Banerjee to be heading the India bloc.
कांग्रेस को समझना चाहिए कि कांग्रेस का लीडरशिप में इंडिया अलायंस फेल हो गया। देश में ठीक बीजेपी का विरुद्ध में जो लड़ाई है वो ठीक से नहीं हो रहा है, तो ममता दी को ले आएंगे लीडरशिप में, उसमें अच्छा ही होगा। कांग्रेस उनको ईगो को लिए दीदी का माफिक लीडर को मिस किया था। दीदी का 97 में कांग्रेस से निकाल दिया गया था। कांग्रेस का कोई लीडर अभी नहीं है जो दीदी का लड़ाई के लिए कंपैरिजन में है।
Okay, so you've got that message going across from the Trinamool Congress that, look, there is no leader of Mamata's stature in the Congress, which is why Mamata Banerjee deserves this post. But is it right to say, Rahul, that within the India bloc right now, over this issue, who should be leading the India bloc, all parties seem to be on the side of Mamata Banerjee, and it's effectively Congress against all other allies?
Well, it seems so that at this point of time, Congress Party is in a dire need of friends, and obviously it is under heavy criticism coming in from own alliance partners. We have seen TMC, Samajwadi Party, all these have been alliance partners. They've just fought the election, Lok Sabha election, together, and now within 6 months, this political bickering happening, and that's on the crucial question as to who's going to lead or going to be the face of India bloc. See, we have to really understand that Congress Party obviously is the single largest party. They've got 99 MPs, but many believe within the India bloc that in the direct competition between BJP and Congress has been biting dust, and BJP has been emerging victorious. So they would want somebody, somebody who's more aggressive, somebody who's more articulate, somebody who has got more precision in terms of attacking government. And that's why Mamata Banerjee, she herself, said that she's ready to lead the opposition bloc, provided she stays in Bengal, in Kolkata, and then obviously, she can take on BJP. But the moment she said this, one party after another, she started getting endorsement. Now, this obviously made Congress party, a bit upset that the very leadership is being challenged. But obviously, as I was telling you earlier also, there are going to be elections in 2 states in 2025. One is Delhi and the other one is Bihar. Now, many believe that the very idea of India Alliance is not very important or very crucial for Congress party in these 2 particular states, because in Delhi, they are not really in a position, or they're not going to have any alliance with Aam Aadmi Party.
Correct.
In Bihar, they already have UPA intact there. They already have an alliance with RJD. But now Lalu Prasad Yadav coming out on record and saying
Let's
that
just talk about
Mamata
that,
Banerjee should
Rahul.
be-
Let's just talk about really how different leaders are now speaking out over who should be leading the India bloc. And there's a reason why we're saying most of them seem to be in favor of Mamata Banerjee.